Hi guys, so my name is Svetana and this is Ria, and we're from the Bomb Squad, of course. And as promised, as you guys asked, here's a tutorial on Gully Gully. Alright, so just remember, for sides, in case you're confused, is it left, is it right? This tattoo is on the left side, the woman is on the right. So that's how you know your lefts and your rights, alright? And we'll be mirroring the video any which way, so it becomes easier for you guys. Alright, so we start with the feet together and you're squeezing, alright? So you're here, it's squeezed right over left, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chick chick. So the chick chick is on 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chick chick, boom. Yeah, so you're going to go boom, stick your ass out, and from there you're spotting to your left and you go boom. Choda hai. Zama. This is your right side. Na. Left side. From the right leg comes to left leg and you go tararak, tuck tuck. Alright, now this whole thing is facing back. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chick chick boom. Tere liye choda hai zama na tararak tuck tuck. Alright, from there you're here, you go ha. So boom, this is your left side, boom, ha. There's a little accent there. You're going to finish that roll. What are we rolling? Everything. Alright, it's our hip, it's our chest, it's our shoulders, it's everything. Boom, tuck tuck. Yeah, so we're going to go tap twice and tap with your feet. Tuck tuck. You can go hip higher or you can go hip hip, doesn't matter. That's up to you. Boom, tuck tuck, tararak. Yeah, so just a shimmy, tararak, and open, boom. Like nice wide, and you go boom. Aise, naz, tuck. You're spanking your left side. Boom. Second time. From there you go tuck tuck. You're really low, you go tuck tuck. Truck. Yeah, so this is really sharp. Boom. Stop. Truck. Just the fingers. Tuck tuck. Very small. Don't make this very big. Just a truck, tuck tuck. From there, big. Boom boom. Yeah, with the head. Boom boom. And just the pelvis and the hand. Tuck. Tuck. From there, open both the legs. Hands up. Boom. Spot. Spot. Right side, left side, and my hand is also clapping. Right, left. Now we're going to do a passe and kind of a layout, and we go boom, whoop, without falling like that. Alright, so we're going boom, boom, ha. Left leg, left and left. Right, right. Alright, so we're going to do this once more. We've gone tuck, tuck, boom, boom, tuck, tuck, ha. Left, right and left, right. That's your line, yeah? But with this we're going to do nasha. Alright, head roll to the right twice, tuck, tuck. Now, when you're doing these head rolls really fast, try not to, imagine you have a pony like this, maybe even higher here, and you're just doing this, yeah? Just try to do this, don't make it a hole, otherwise it may not happen fast enough, alright? So, nasha. Now, all your weight should be on your left leg, so you can flick the right leg and go, woo! Alright, so we're going to nasha, boom! Okay, we're going to take it from the top. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chick, chick, boom! Ha! Choda hai zamana, tararak, tak, tak, irada to bata, boom, boom, tararak, aise nazare. Se churana, tararak, tak tak, irada to bata, and boom boom, tak tak, ha, chaya hai tujh mein, na 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 nasha, boom. Yeah, so from here, we're here. That's right. Keep your left leg, keep all your weight on your left leg, right leg free. Boom, come. So you're stepping it back because you've gone woo. You might just fall, so you're stepping it forward. Boom, come, bak, dil. Yeah. So the rhythm is boom, tuck, boom, boom, tuck. From there, we're going to do a cross ball change. Left, right, left. Alright, so 5, 6, 7, woo. Come, pa, dil, ye, kaha, ja. Cross ball change, alright? Left, right, left. From there, use your right leg to kick your left leg and you go pa, ta, boom. Alright, that's your accent. So boom, from there. मैं तेरी. You can use this, you can just use this, whatever you feel like. Slowly in, मैं तेरी. Left leg steps out again. दीवानी. Chest and hip roll. दीवानी. Alright, from there you go right hand. तू मेरा दीवाना. Woo! Alright, we're going to do this once more. 5, 6, 7. Woo! तेरी दीवानी. तू मेरा दीवाना. From there, walk with your left leg. Walk forward, and open, open. Yeah? Right, left, chest, chest, hip, hip, whom. Once more. So, we have gone, 5, 6, 7, left leg. This is very slow. Na 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 na. Chest, chest, hit, hit, whoom. Alright, from there, you're going to go just chest in twice. A. From that, hand twice. A. And A. So, da 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 da. Boom. Alright, maybe. So, let's take it from woo, slightly slowly. Woo. Come back dil ye kahan ja fasa. Woo. Teri diwani. Right, left. Up, shift head, head, da ra 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 ta 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 ta, boom, boom. Yeah. So once from the top, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chick chick boom. लिए छोड़ा है ज़माना. टरक टक टक इरादा तो बता. Boom boom tarak, ऐसे नजरे से चुराना. टरक टक टक इरादा हा हा. Boom boom टक टक हा. छाया है मुझ में अनाना टक टक. कम वक्त दिल ये कहाँ जा फंसा. तेरी दीवानी. तू मेरा दीवाना. Walk, walk and boom 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 ta. Gully. Now make sure when you're doing this your feet are parallel. Now turned out parallel. So gully gully mein firta hai is just a you're recovering because you've gone tak 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 tak. Gully gully mein firta. Make sure it's a flat back and your knees are straight. Yeah, don't bend the knees. Straight and leading with the shoulder. So right shoulder, left shoulder. Now it stays down to go to-do-doom. Right, left, right. So to-do-doom. Yeah, to-do-doom. This is the to-do-dooms are in the background if you hear. So na 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 firta hai to-do-doom. पीछे में हल्का सा ऐसा bass beat है. From there you're going to go boom. Alright, so this is my left hand. It hits and my left leg also roundage arms. Boom and left, right, left. Yeah, downwards. Boom. Now make sure you're showing your ass because you're going to go to-do-doom. Alright, so to-do-doom. Just shake it. Alright, keep your weight on your hands to go to-do-doom and boom. Left side. So it's like a bounce. To-do-doom, boom, 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 boom. Alright, to the left side, this hand goes here gradually. From there, boom, tuck, tuck, boom. Once more. So here we're going to go right side and from here, flat back. Boom, tuck. Alright, so my back from here is going to go ha, ha. And from there it's going to go lower. Boom, tuck. Alright, make sure your, again, knees don't bend. Straight, throughout, back flat. From there you go, shik. 2 rolls. Shik, leg comes in gradually. Va. So, head. Va. Chuck, 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 chuck. Yeah, so you've got va, chuck, 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 chuck. There's a boom, boom, in which you're going to go boom, boom. Cool? Did you get hurt?
No.
Okay. Once more. 5, 6, 7, and gully, gully mein firta hai boom, 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 ha. Left, right, ta-da, da-da-da, ha, ha, ha. दिल में बस जा मेरे आशिक आवा चक 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 boom boom. She did not get hurt again. Okay, so we finished chak 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 boom boom. This is the main choreography section. Next is just very easy. It's more like a repetition, so I'm going to go over it quickly. All right, from there we're going to go flick and place, flick and place. Left leg, left and right, right and tuck tuck. All right, 5, 6, 7, and ta ra ra ta ra ta ra ta ta. Ta ra ra. My right leg is stepping out. Ta ra ra. Now hop. Ta ra ta ra ta. Once more. Ta ra ra ta ra ta ra ta ta. Now you jump to the right side. Ta ra ra ta ra ta ra. Woo! Once more. 5, 6, 7, and left and right. Tuck 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 tuck. Flick and place. Flick and tuck tuck. Boom. Boom. Ta. All right. So now we've gone ta. From there, we're going to step the leg in front. Gali, gali mein shaase. On the hand up. Firta and 2 shaases to the other side, hand down. Hai tu. Okay, this is my left side. I'm going to step my right leg. Step, it's called a step pivot. Step the left leg and hand down. Now step the left leg again. Left, right, left, head. Alright, we are going to do this once more. 5, 6, so we finish. Boom, boom, ta. Gali, gali mein, hand up and hand down. And step, step, left leg and boom. From there you go ta, 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 ta. Boom, roll, roll, chuck, 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 and woo, woo. So on the first woo, I will go down. On the second woo, she will do what I'm doing. You go woo, woo, without the knees coming off. I'm going to do that again. So chuck, 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 chuck. I'll go on the first, she'll go on the second. Woo, woo. Okay. So that was Gali Gali for you guys. I'm going to do this again. So that was the Gali Gali choreography. Shivani saying like, share, subscribe. So that was the Gali Gali choreography for you guys, and we are going to be a lot more regular with these videos, tutorial videos. Also, I used a lot of terms. I used a lot of chasse, a lot of cross ball change, a lot of flick in place, a lot of flat back. I used a lot of technical terms and jazz vocabulary. So we are also going to start a jazz coursework where we're going to do tutorials on these jazz vocabularies that are commonly used. So we're going to start that as well. For that, make sure you have liked, shared and subscribed, because we want to go to YouTube Fan Fest next year.